What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Ulefone Power Armor 19, the newest Ulefone rugged smartphone. I have been using Ulefone smartphones for almost 3 years now and I have always been very satisfied, and these days performance of Ulefone Power Armor series is truly overwhelming. Well, we will start from unboxing, then we will go through the review process, but before everything, there is a simple request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, before we start the video, there are two things I want to mention. Number one, Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with temperature monitor. This one comes with a dedicated sensor for temperature monitoring, and there is a dedicated application for temperature monitoring, so we can measure human body temperature without any hassle. This is really a very good addition. And number two, that's the camera performance. You should check the camera performance of this Ulefone Power Armor 19. As this one comes with stock Android, this one comes with one of the best camera algorithm. So the engineers of Ulefone have actually managed to extract the best out of its main sensor, that is a Samsung ISOCELL HM208 megapixel sensor. Okay, let's start from unboxing. Here is our Ulefone Power Armor 19. On the box, it's clearly written IP69K IP68 proof, so that means splash, water and dust proof. Inside the box, as usual, there is a small cardboard package. Inside this package, there is a single loop lanyard loop, phone charging instructions, warranty card, temperature measurement user manual. Yeah, I have been talking about this. This is really a great feature. Multifunction instructions, Power Armor 19 user manual, a SIM ejector tool, and wow, they have even provided an tempered glass screen protector. Kudos to Ulefone. Underneath the cardboard package, here comes our Ulefone Power Armor 19. Underneath the smartphone, Ulefone has provided a 66-watt PD charger and a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. I really like this yellow accent. I'm gonna use this cable everywhere. Be assured, this is a premium quality charging cable. Well, let's unwrap the newest beast, Ulefone Power Armor 19. This is actually a rugged beast. Oh, okay, the phone also comes with a armor case. Let's check what things we have got inside the box of this armor case. Inside the box, we have got a protective case, a user manual, a premium quality belt clip, and an additional clip to hang the smartphone with the backpack or on any other rope. This is pretty useful. I usually use this one when I go mountain hiking. It's easy to put the protective case on, and this protective case is more like a convenient case rather than a protective case. This protective case offers a very good protection to the back panel and actually adds convenience as it opens the door to many other accessories. It's really very easy to install the protective case and also very easy to remove the protective case from the back panel of the smartphone. There are many different brands offering different type of rugged smartphones, but I always look for Ulefone and I always get Ulefone's updated editions for 3 reasons. Number 1, Ulefone comes with all the necessary rating and certifications, IP68, 69K, military standard 810H and many more. It's not only about IP rating, it's all about real life performance. Ulefone has provided me the best performance through the years. It's not like I have just started using a Ulefone. It's been years that I have been using Ulefons. From Ulefone Power Armor 9T to Ulefone Power Armor 19, yeah, I have never felt like Ulefone has disappointed me. Number 2, Ulefone's rugged smartphones are not ugly like other brands. Rather, it's much more elegant. It has a posh and elite vibe, looks beautiful, and in hand it feels premium. I like the outlook and appearance a lot of this Ulefone Power Armor 19. Ulefone has found a nice way to combine ruggedness with beauty. Whatever they have done a magic. They have used aluminium and polycarbonate at the same time. This is a two-tone design and I really like this design language. Number 3, Ulefone is the only rugged smartphone brand who is trying to improvise, continuously offering improved performance. There are no other rugged smartphone which comes with a FHD Plus display panel, 108 megapixel HM2 main sensor, Bluetooth 5.2 and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Yeah, some smartphones have FHD Plus display, but that one has a lousy camera setup or lousy SoC. Some of the other rugged smartphones comes with a good camera setup but comes with a 720p display panel. Pretty funny. Only Ulefone offers the best package. I will give 10 out of 10 for build quality and a 9 out of 10 for outlook and appearance.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and
Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with 6.58-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD panel. The thing is, even if this one is an IPS LCD panel, performance of this display panel is pretty much comparable with any other OLED panel. Definitely this one offers pretty smooth scrolling experience because this one supports 120Hz refresh rate. Black is truly dark, which is almost unbelievable and impossible for any IPS LCD panel. But yeah, Ulefone has done some magic. Ulefone Power Armor 19's display panel can reproduce perfect black. White is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant, but yet natural. There are a few different color schemes. You can select between the color schemes, and color calibration of all the color schemes are truly perfect. I would give this display panel 9 out of 10 considering the price and segment. Definitely this one is one of the best display panels among all the rugged smartphones available on the market. Like Ulefone Power Armor 18T, Ulefone Power Armor 19 also comes with a bottom firing single loudspeaker. Even if this one is a single loudspeaker, this one performs very good. Especially the sound goes very loud, and even if I have tried to play music in full volume, there isn't no distortion. So speaker performance of Ulefone Power Armor 19 is also very good. Let us check, let us listen to some music and you decide by yourself how nice it is. Well, it's time to check camera performance of Ulefone Power Armor 19, and let me tell it one more time. I'm super impressed by the camera performance of this Ulefone Power Armor 19. This one comes with a 108 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL HM2 main sensor. I have taken some photos with this Ulefone side by side with a POCO smartphone, and you know what? Ulefone has almost destroyed POCO. You check by yourself, you decide which smartphone has done better. Okay, can we play games on this smartphone? That's a big question. A lot of people ask me this question, that whether we can play games on a rugged smartphone or not. Ulefone actually manufactures a very good quality, premium quality rugged smartphones, and especially this Ulefone Armor 19 comes with a very good GPU, MediaTek Helio G99. And as this one comes with 12GB of RAM, definitely we can play games on this Ulefone Armor 19. But the thing is, if you are a hardcore gamer, then this smartphone is not for you. Rugged smartphones are not for hardcore gamers. But if you like to play games, and even if you want to play some graphics intensive games, definitely you can play graphics intensive games, but in-game experience is really pretty fluid, buttery smooth in-game experience. I have tried to play Shadow Fight 3 and many other graphics intensive games, and this Ulefone Power Armor 19 has provided me with satisfaction. Really, one more time, this one offers pretty solid gaming experience. Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with a 9600 mAh battery and a 66-watt charger. This one also supports 15-watt wireless and 5-watt reverse charging. I have managed to squeeze up to 2 days of screen on time, and in my usual usage pattern, the phone has provided me 5 days of battery life, which is almost 2 times better than any other rugged smartphones. If you wanna know, then okay, You can put this Ulefone Power Armor 19 in standby mode for 525 hours. If you wanna continuously listen to music, then it will go for 40 hours. If you wanna continuously watch movies, if you wanna go binge watching, then you will get 22 hours of video playback. And if you wanna play games continuously hours after hours, then this Ulefone Power Armor 19 will be good for 12 hours only after a full recharge. Kudos to Ulefone. Here comes the specifications of Ulefone Power Armor 19. Helio G99 SoC, 12GB of RAM, and I have got this 256GB of storage, stock OS Android 12. The main sensor is Samsung ISOCELL HM208 megapixel sensor. There is a 16 megapixel selfie sensor. Screen resolution is 1080 by 2408. Yeah, this is a FHD Plus panel, and altogether the hardware selection is pretty nice. This one is a mighty rugged smartphone. Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with stock Android 12, and Ulefone has added a few extra options like memory expansion. We can actually expand your storage. I don't think it's necessary because I have got this 12GB edition. This one comes in 12 plus 256 package. So 12GB of RAM is already an overkill for this device. But if you want to expand your memory, then definitely you can do that. Ulefone also has this DuraSpeed. DuraSpeed actually helps to boost the foreground application by restricting background application. Some notifications may be postponed or not received, but if you are gonna play heavy graphics intensive games, then I would say you should use DuraSpeed for that game. Yeah, there is a custom key on the left side, and we can customize single click, double click, and long press. I have selected no operation for single click because sometimes I've noticed that there are some accidental clicks on that button. So I'm gonna select Shadow Fight 3 for double click and open flashlight when I long press on that button. Let's check how does it perform. When I double clicked on this button, Ulefone Power Armor 19 has loaded Shadow Fight 3. Now let's check long press. Yeah, this button works perfectly fine, there is no issue. Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with the old school fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is actually located on the power button. It's pretty easy to register, and this one works without any lag. It's pretty fast, very fast, one of the fastest. Ulefone Power Armor 19 also comes with 2D face unlocking option. This face unlocking option is also easy to use. It's pretty easy to register face data, and definitely it works like a flash. Well, Ulefone Power Armor 19 comes with a Helio G99 SoC, and it has managed to get a decent score in Geekbench. 549 single core score, 1824 multi-core score. I think it's good enough, and considering the price of the phone, considering the segment of the phone, this one is pretty good. I have also ran Antutu benchmark back-to-back 3 times. Ulefone Power Armor 19 has managed to score 385,000 even after running Antutu benchmark 3 times consecutively. So yeah, there is no thermal throttling. You can see there isn't no temperature issue, and look at this battery percentage. Only 1% of battery has drained for running Antutu benchmark each time. So that's crazy good. Well, after watching through this video, what do you think? I'm obsessed with this Ulefone Power Armor 19. This one is one of the best rugged smartphones available on the market. Yeah, I have tried to compare this with some other smartphones, but the truth is, Ulefone can only be compared with other Ulefone, and as this one is one of the best, the newest flagship of Ulefone, I don't think you are gonna compare this one. If you get one, then definitely you will enjoy this one. I would like to know what you think about this smartphone. If you have any question about this device, don't forget to make a comment, and I would love to reply to your comments. If you have loved this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.